Welcome back. We are going to start a new section, Docker containerization. But before that, let's have a quick look what we have covered so far. We have begun our journey with Linux, a fundamental concept that's important for a DevOps engineer. Then we mastered Git and GitHub, a version control system. After that, we have deep dive into cloud computing, and especially we learned Azure and AWS cloud. After that, we understood Terraform and Ansible for infrastructure provisioning and application configuration. Then finally, we have streamlined infrastructure provisioning and application deployment using Azure DevOps. So all these are powerful tools to dramatically simplify and accelerate software delivery life cycle. And by now, if you are flowing along, completing all hands-on, doing all assignments, trust me, you have gained substantial real-world skill that's enough for you to position yourself as a confident and capable DevOps engineer. And if so you did, then one question must be coming in your mind naturally. Are we truly maximizing efficiency and scalability in our deployment? Think about it. So far, we completely depend on virtual machine for our application deployment and management. And this is all for the good reason. VM is indeed transform our infrastructure management, but there are some problem, and especially when we have to scale it and when we are going to deploy our application across different environment in terms of consistency. So these are some problem, and genuinely, if you think as a DevOps engineer, so agility, speed and resource utilization is one of the critical things about DevOps best practices. So what next? How do we boost this productivity, agility, scalability even further? So answer is container. So this is what we are going to learn in this section. So in this section, we will explore Docker and containerization step by step. But we will first try to understand what is problems with virtual machine. If we understand this, then this is going to set a clear stage for learning container and Docker. Then we will understand why do we really need container, what is container architecture. Then we will understand building multi-stage image and distroless images, and then we also do deep dive on some specific concept like Docker storage and Docker networking. This is going to be really interesting and practical journey. Make sure you have completed all previous sections, all previous assignments, and once you are ready, see you in the next lecture.